$70 Kawasaki H1 500 comprehensive frame-off restoration with original specs, rebuilt or new, just about everything at no reserve. It is very pretty. Wow.
Selling at no reserve. 20,000, anybody get 20. At 20 bid, anybody get 20, anybody get 15,000, anybody get 15, anybody get 2, 3, 4, 4,000, anybody get 4, 5, 6, 6,000, 7, 8, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, anybody get 12 bid, anybody get 13, anybody get 13, 14, 14,000, anybody get 14, anybody get 14, anybody get 14, 14, 15. At 15,000, anybody get 15.
That's better than new.
14, anybody get 15, anybody get 15. See here, right now, when you're thinking maybe this is when I want to bid, now's when you should bid. 15, 16, 16,000, anybody get 15, anybody get 16, 17,000, anybody get 17, anybody get 17, anybody get 17. I have 16,000, 17,000, anybody get 17, anybody get 17, anybody get 16, 5, 17, 5, $17,500 bid, anybody get 18,500, $18,500 bid, anybody get $500 bid, anybody get 18, 5 bid, anybody get 5 bid, anybody get 5, anybody get 17, 5, 18. At 17, 5, 18. Anybody else? 18. Now 5. $18,500 bid. 18 bid. Anybody get 5? 19. 19,000. Anybody get 19? Anybody get? He feels the same way about you, sir. He feels the same way about you. At 19,000. Anybody get 19? Anybody get 19? Anybody get 19? 18. 5 bid. 19,000. So $18,500. Ricky.